Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Little Wonders. Today we have the J'adore Paris xylophone. It's time to play on the xylophone. But what can you do with the xylophone? Iggle Piggle asks. What can you do? What can you do? Shall we play a song? Shall we play a song? Okay, says Iggle Piggle. Let's try and play a song. We might not get it right, but we're going to try anyway. Are you ready? Let's give it a go. Woo! Iggle Piggle, that's Iggle Piggle's song. Yes, my name is Iggle Piggle. Iggle Piggle, Iggle Piggle, Iggle. Yes, my name is Iggle Piggle. Iggle Piggle, Iggle Piggle, ooh, ooh. And this is a song to finish the video. Are you ready? Here we go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.